Hello, today we're going to talk about how you can save all of your money, spend $0 into saving all of your Zoom recording into Google Drive and not have to pay for Zoom Pro at all. So first things first, I want to go over the pricing of Zoom. Let's go over that. So right now, what you can see is you have Zoom, the basic option, the free option. So right now you can see that you have the free option here, and you have some limitations. And then you have the paid option, Zoom Pro, which has 5 GB of storage. As you can see here, it says like 5 GB of storage. So what it means is that you have a limit of videos that you can upload. And then if you go into Google, you can see that if we go back to Zoom for 12 euros, here for the same price, you actually have 2 TB of space. So that is a lot of storage that you can have for free. So that is incredible when you think about it. For the same price, you can get like crazy amount of storage. And if you want, you can even use the free plan. So the free plan of Google give you 15 GB of storage, which is still for free, 3 times more. Yeah, 3 times more than Zoom Pro that you have to pay for. So I'll show you how you can do that for yourself, and you'll see it's very, very, very simple. So let's get started. First things first, what you want to do, you want to go on Google and search for Google Drive download. And you click on the first link, which should lead you to that page. And then you click on download. That should lead you to that section here. And then you click on this link here, and then that will download it, and you can save it on your computer and install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install it myself. Here, what I will be doing is I will actually be not adding a shortcut to my desktop, and I will not add a shortcut to these. I don't need that because it's just for Zoom for now. So I'll install it, I will launch it, and then I will log into the Google account. Then in the taskbar at the bottom, I will open the settings of my Google account. What I'll do, I will open the preferences of in the app. I will go in the settings here, preferences, then I will select the folder. I'll just do like add folder, and then I will select my folder that is in the right place. Then I'll select sync with Google Drive, and that'll be all. Then I'll go in the settings here, Google Drive, and I'll make sure that it's just a stream and not mirror. And then you can go play around in the settings, in the advanced settings. For example, you can decide to launch it on login of your computer. You can decide to not send diagnostic. You can, you know, store share it for photos if you need, but like all of these are not necessary, to be honest. Like what you need to do is really just configure the folder and make sure that it's stream and not mirror. And then the next step that you have to do is very simple. You will go in your Google Drive, and you will see computers here, and you go in your computers, and then you will see soon the folder appear at some point when you will have Zoom recordings that will be there. So once you have done that, what you do, you can open a Zoom. Let's do one right now. So that's where my OBS recording stopped recording the audio. So I'll continue with voice over this video. I'm sorry for that. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and I'll create a new Zoom recording. Then I will record the, yeah, I'll do a kind of a test record with the, with Zoom. And then I'll stop it right away because I just don't want to have it too long, too big file for now. And then I'll go right away in the Google Sync on my computer, and I will check if the files have been synced. The files have not been synced, so I realized that I had forgot to resume syncing. So now all the files are being uploaded, which is great. I mean, they're actually uploading, and now they are uploaded, and they will appear in Google Drive right now. Yeah, right now. And then when I'll go look in the Zoom folder, I'll actually realize that the files are that are there were not fully converted. So I'll go back to my computer. I'll convert them. That could happen, but usually they should be converted right away. Not sure why Zoom did that this time. And then that's kind of like it will sync again, and there it is. Not That's kind of how it's being done. Like the files are there, everything is synced, so that is now perfect. You now have Zoom to Google Drive. So that's it. That's really it. That's what you can do to go from Zoom to Google Drive, and very simple. Yeah, from Zoom to Google Drive. It's very simple. You can do that for $0. You don't have to have a paid plan of Google. You have 15 gigabytes, as I said, but if you do have the Google paid plan, it's very cheap for the amount of terabyte that you get. And then after that, you can have a lot of different workflows that you can do that I'll share another video. But with these workflow, from the fact that you were able to go from Zoom to Google Drive, you're now able to trigger multiple automation and workflows after that. So yeah, if you like this video, do comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, cheers, bye.